Hi, I'm Mark Evan Iberio, taking up Bachelor of Science in Petroleum Engineering. I am a fifth-year student of Batangas State University. I live in Legatan, Taysan, Batangas. My father's name is Benedicto C. Brilli Jr. He is an OFW in Doha, Qatar. And my mother's name is Betty Iberio. She is a sales agent. I am the eldest among my siblings. My sister's name is Charmaine Iberio. He is taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. And my brother's name is Christian Iberio. He is taking up Bachelor of Industrial Technology. I love to play basketball and read books. I have skills in Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, and also in PowerPoint. I have knowledge also in AutoCAD. I attended many seminars like H2S safety training seminar or HASCOM awareness, high five and hand injury awareness and prevention training and also biogas to power generation and others. I got the opportunity to have this OJT because I want to improve my skills and I want to gain more information and experience about the field I chose. I know this OJT in Malaysia will really help me to explore and be more independent person and be a confident person. Thank you.